Unit 6, Lesson 3, Student Example number 3. The graph below shows the relation between the length of a long-distance call and the cost. So you can see that the cost of that call is in cents and it's on your y-axis, and the time or the length of that call is in minutes and it's on your x-axis. Part A is asking you, if Becky talked for 2 minutes, how much would the call cost? Okay, well, we go by what we know. We know that the call lasted 2 minutes. From there, we just go up until we hit the line that runs through the points, and then once we hit that line, from the point where we hit it, we go directly over to the y-axis. And we can see that it would cost 60 cents. Doing the same thing again, B asks if she talked for 8 minutes, how much would the call cost? So we find what we know. We find 8 minutes, and we go up. As we're going up, we're going to see that we're not going to hit that line. This is where extrapolation comes in. When you extrapolate a line on a graph, all you do is continue it at the same trajectory or the same slope. Seeing that we've done that, now if we go up, we're going to hit the line and we go directly over from where we hit it. If we continue over to the y-axis, we will see that it's going to cost her 120 cents. That can also be expressed as $1.20. Part C is asking you, what is the base amount per call, no matter how long it is? When you're asked a question like this, you want to go back towards the origin area of the graph. So most things will have a base cost, meaning that as soon as you pick up the phone, in this case, you get charged a certain amount, regardless of how long you talk. So if our time happened to be 0 minutes, that corresponds to 40 cents. That means the moment that Becky picked up the phone, it cost her 40 cents. That is her base cost. Part D is asking us to write the relation between the length of the call and the cost. Let's draw a t-table. If we do that, let's put the length of the call, or the time, in minutes here, and the cost here. Let's put in 0, 1, and 2 minutes. 0 minutes, that call costs 40 cents. We know that. 1 minute, that call costs 50 cents. 2 minutes, that call costs 60 cents. We can see that our left-hand side of our chart goes up by 1 at a time, so we should be able to use our shortcut here. The difference between 40 and 50 is 10. The difference between 50 and 60 is also 10, so there's a pattern there. We can say that C is equal to 10 times T. Now, if I multiply 0 by 10, I get 0, and I have to add 40 to get to 40. So plus 40. Let's see if this works on the next term. 1 times 10 is 10, plus 40 is 50. So this works. So this is the relationship between the length of the call and the cost.